What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can get Amazon to pay you for selling your own Amazon FBA products. So when you're selling on Amazon, there's a number of fees that you're required to pay to sell on Amazon, such as shipping fees if you're doing fulfillment by Amazon, and fees associated with the total cost of your product. So they take a percentage of your cost. So if you have a $10 product, they're going to take $1.50 from that product as a percentage. So for a lot of sellers, including myself, that can be a little bit painful just because you're required to pay Amazon some of the profits that you're making. So instead of going into your pocket, it's going into their pocket. But the benefits obviously are that you can use Amazon Store and everything else. So what I've been able to do is figure out a way to not pay those fees indirectly by using their affiliate program. So if you've never heard of it before, affiliate marketing is advertising someone else's products on their behalf, and then you get a percentage of the product purchase price. So we can get around the Amazon seller fees indirectly by getting paid by Amazon through their affiliate marketing program. So if you don't know what the affiliate program is, basically what it is that you're advertising their products, Amazon products, on their page, and then from the page of people buy those products that you're advertising for them on their behalf, then they give you a percentage of those sales. Now, the quick workaround that I've figured out is that you can go ahead and use this affiliate program for your own products. Now, this is completely legal. It's not against their terms of service. It's not an issue at all. So previously in videos that I've talked about how I've used Facebook ads in order to promote growth on my Amazon FBA products, and I have a ton of videos talking about that. I also have a guide coming out in a week or so talking about every step that you need to do Facebook advertising. And one great perk that you can use with Facebook advertising is the ability to advertise using Amazon's affiliate program for your own products. So if you're going to be advertising for your own products, you might as well join in on the affiliate program. And so not only are you making sales for your products and getting the profit through that, but Amazon's paying you the affiliate commissions for those products that you're selling. So like I said before, this is so cool because it's not against their terms of service, and you're able to kind of get out of those fees, because instead of Amazon taking the fees from you because you're using their platform to get traffic, you're the one bringing in traffic, and therefore you don't have to pay as much of the Amazon fees because they're paying you back in return for the cost of that you'd be usually paying. So the Amazon affiliate program is really easy to join. If you already have a Amazon seller account, you can go ahead and just join for free. Or if you just have a regular Amazon account, I believe you can join as well. But basically what you have to do is go to their affiliate-program.amazon.com, or you can just search in Amazon affiliate on Google and then go in and join for free. Now, their affiliate program has a variety of different percentages that you'll get from the program depending on what category your product is in. So once you're on this page, you can just go to the Earn section, go on to Advertising Fees, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to the third section where they have all the different categories and then the percentage that you get. Now, most of the categories that your FBA products will be in will be toys, which is 3%, or more likely the outdoors and tools, 5.5%, all the way up to 10%. So you're looking at usually 3 to 10% for your products. Now, it's kind of a no-brainer, especially if you're utilizing Facebook advertising, to utilize the affiliate program. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if you're going to use the affiliate program, you need to be able to redirect your Facebook traffic to a landing page. So any website, and you can just have a picture of the product and stuff like that, and then send them to the actual Amazon page where they can purchase the product. The reason you have to do this is because Facebook doesn't allow affiliate codes to be directly on their website. So you can go ahead and send them to a basic website page and then send them to your product page. So with that, it's not very expensive to get a website. You can get one for under $100 for a year for sure, even cheaper if you found certain deals and stuff like that. But it's not expensive to do, and especially if you're utilizing those Facebook ads, it makes a lot of sense you might as well just use the affiliate program and get some money out of your advertising expenses. Another awesome perk to using the affiliate program is not only are you getting paid for the products that they're buying of yours, because obviously that's what you're directing traffic towards, but if they have anything else in their cart that is in any of these categories, you also get a percentage of that. So I've had friends of mine talk about how they're advertising a really inexpensive product. Let's say it's like $15. So they're looking to get, maybe $1 from that affiliate sale. But then all of a sudden they had maybe $300 worth of products in their cart that they were checking out at the same time. And so if they check out at the same time as they are with your product, everything gets grouped into your affiliate code. So rather than only getting the $1 from that one product, you get a percentage off of their entire thing. So for that example, $300, let's say on average it's 5%. So they're looking at about $15 they're going to get using their affiliate code that they otherwise wouldn't have gotten if they just directed the traffic directly to Amazon's page. So obviously this is not necessary for Facebook advertising using a landing page and the affiliate program, but I thought it was a kind of neat little trick that I've used in the past in order to get a little bit of extra money out of each of your advertising sales. And then you can go ahead and sometimes find people that are buying large amounts, and then you get, a little surprise affiliate commission. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about affiliate marketing your own Amazon FBA products to get out of those extra fees and stuff like that Amazon charges you. If you did like the video, press the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this talking about Facebook advertising and Amazon FBA, and I'll see you guys in the next video.